Who would make decisions for you if you couldn't make them for yourself? Who would make your healthcare decisions or financial decisions if you're unable to do so? Hi, my name is John Bielski. I'm the founder and shareholder of Bielski Chapman, and today I'm going to touch on powers of attorney. If you have an interest in estate planning or questions regarding powers of attorney, feel free to subscribe for future updates. I believe everybody over the age of 18 should have a power of attorney. Why? I'm married. If something happened to me and I'm incapacitated, and when I say incapacitated, I'm not talking about just a physical ailment. I'm talking about the inability to communicate or inability to make decisions. If such a situation happened, my wife does not have an automatic right to step into my shoes and make decisions for me. She may have to go to a guardianship court and file a petition to be appointed as guardian. In other states, they call guardianship receivership, but they're the same thing. Going through guardianship can be an expensive and an emotionally draining process. One, you're paying fees to an attorney, you're paying fees to a court, and often paying fees to a guardian ad litem. That can be very expensive. More importantly, decisions regarding the care, the finances of the person that's disabled are made by a court. So every decision as far as how doctors treat an individual, how finances are paid, how assets are managed, can be made through a court. And I, for one, don't want a judge my wife never met making decisions for me. Likewise, I don't want a judge I never met making decisions who's going to take care of me if I can't take care of myself. I go in front of a lot of guardianship and probate judges. My experience is this judges who've been on the bench a long time are very knowledgeable and experienced in their area of law. And these judges will be the first people to tell you they'd rather you have an estate plan and have your affairs in order than having your estate go before them and having them making decisions for you. The process to do the power of attorney is not difficult. We're going to draft documents. We're going to appoint a person to make decisions for you if you can't make them for yourself. Often we'll name successive people after the first person if they can't name or they can't step up to make decisions for you. But the point is we're going to make decisions up front while you're competent and before it's too late. If you haven't done a power of attorney, you need to do one as soon as possible. We at Bielski Chapman would be happy to help you with powers of attorney and other estate planning documents. But if it's not us, please find an experienced estate planner to help you draft these documents. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future updates. Catch you next time.